Welcome to our Python animation tutorial series. In this episode, we're going to delve into the powerful world of lists. Lists are a fundamental data structure in Python, allowing us to store and manipulate collections of items. Let's start with the basics. To create a list, we simply enclose our items in square brackets, like this. Python my_list equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, we've created a list named my_list containing 5 integers. Now, let's explore some common operations we can perform on lists. Lists in Python are mutable, which means we can modify them after they've been created. Let's see an example of how we can manipulate a list. Python adding an element to the end of the list. My_list append 6. Removing an element from the list. My_list remove 3. Modifying an element in the list. My_list 0 equals 10. Here, we've added the number 6 to the end of our list, removed the number 3, and modified the first element to be 10. Iterating over a list allows us to perform an action on each item in the list. We can do this using a loop, like a for loop. Python for item in my_list. Print item. This loop iterates over each item in my_list and prints it to the screen. Slicing allows us to extract a portion of a list by specifying a start and end index. Python extracting a portion of the list. Subset equals my_list 1 to 3. Here, subset will contain elements from index 1 up to, but not including, index 3 from my_list. And there you have it. Lists are incredibly versatile in Python, allowing us to manipulate, iterate, and slice our data with ease. Happy coding!